Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up affiliate tracking with Impact for Shopify stores. Step first, log into your Shopify store admin dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand menu. Click on the Visit the Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type Impact and hit Enter. Locate the Impact app for affiliate tracking in the results. Click on Add App to begin the installation process. From the app description page, authorize the app to access your store. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, open the Impact app from your Shopify admin. If you don't have an Impact account, select the option to create one. Fill in the required information to set up your Impact account. After your account is created, log into the Impact platform. Navigate to the Affiliate tab on your Impact dashboard. Click on Links to create new tracking links. Select Create Link and choose the type of link you need. Enter the details for your affiliate offer, including the URL and any additional parameters. Save the link once all details are filled in. Copy the generated tracking link provided by Impact. Return to your Shopify store and navigate to Online Store. Click on Pages from the drop-down menu. Create a new page for your affiliate offers or edit an existing page. Paste the tracking link into the content area where you want it displayed. Adjust any formatting as needed and save your changes. Next, set up your commission structure in the Impact dashboard. Go to Commission Structures under the Affiliate section. Select Add Commission Structure and fill out the required fields. Define the commission type, percentage, and any special terms. Save your commission structure to activate it. Now, test your tracking link to ensure it works correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.